What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. You are now on day 65 of this beginning 5K program. Let's get moving. All right, again, we just want to say how proud we are. Day 65. I mean, you guys are really cruising through this, and it's really fun to watch you guys get through this. Make sure you leave any comments below too if you have anything, if you have any questions about this. We the race is only a few days away, so let us know if you have any questions, and we will make sure we answer them as quickly as possible. And without further ado, here's Coach Robin.
Welcome back, my running friends. It is Tuesday, and we had a long run yesterday, and today we're bumping it down to 2 miles. And I know you can do it. It's a little hot here again today, so don't forget your water wherever you are. Whether it's hot or not, running this distance, it's a good idea to have some water with you. So don't forget your hydration. It's very important. So anyway, like I said, today is 2 miles. Do what you can. At this point, you should be able to run the 2 miles. But if it's too hot or whatever, depending on when you're doing this, do as much as you can. And then tomorrow we get to rest. So I am going to get my workout on. I'm going to do my warm-up. I'm going to go for my 2 mile run. I'm going to cool down, and then I'll be back to check in on you and see how yours was. Another hot one here, so I'm glad I had my water with me. 2 miles in the bag though, so we are getting this done. Only a couple more days and we are at race day. So let's keep pushing. You guys are doing really, really good. I'm so excited for you. And don't forget, if you need any help with nutrition, I'm your girl. Just check out my Facebook page. I'm happy to help. Any questions you have, I'm happy to answer. I love to talk about it. I'm passionate about it. So it's what I love. So shout out to me with any questions. Anyway, I hope your workout was great today too. I'm sure it was. I have no doubt. And I will see you tomorrow is a rest day. So I'll check in on you and just see what's going on. Not sure what I'm going to do, but I'll figure out something. Resting really isn't that easy because I love to work out. So I'll figure out something. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.
All right, great job, everybody. Great job, everybody. Again, we're really proud. You're almost there. You are almost there. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button on this if you like the program. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll be notified every time we drop a Healthy Living video. Also, make sure that you share this program with someone who actually think they can benefit from it. So make sure you do that so they can join in on all the fun like you did. And at the end of this, you're going to see videos pop up, and one of them is the playlist for the entire program. So you can always share that with anyone who you think who could use it, and they can start off on day 1, and that way they don't hurt themselves. So anyway, with all that said, we will see you tomorrow, everybody. It's a rest day tomorrow, so be prepared to rest, but we do have something to say, so make sure you tune in.